Is your computers are very slow? Don't worry, welcome to Infotech Fusion. In this video, I have shown some simple steps to boost your computer performance. So let's get started. Click on search bar and type Task Manager. Click on Run as an administrator. Now go to Startup tab. Here you will see list of apps that automatically start and run in background. Right click on unwanted or unused apps and select Disable to stop them. Go to Control Panel. Then click on Programs. Select Uninstall Programs. Uninstall any apps you don't use, especially expired or unactivated antivirus software. Open the Run dialog by typing Run in the search bar or press Windows plus R key. Type %temp%, then click OK. Select all the temporary files and delete them. Some files may not delete, just skip those. Open the Run dialog. Type prefetch, Prefetch. Then click OK. Here also, select and delete all the files and folders too. In the search bar, type check for updates. Open it. Check your Windows update status. If update available, install them to ensure your system runs smoothly. Bonus tips: avoid saving too many files and folders on desktop. Empty your recycle bin regularly. Move files from downloads and documents folders to another drive like D or E. If you are still using hard disk drive, consider switching to SSD. It can significantly boost your performance. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and good luck.